Hey my Tea Party squad, welcome back for another video here at my tea party. So today I am going to be flipping through the Spoonful of Faith big sticker book and also the classic size. So I'm going to be giving you a 2-for-1 and I'm going to be flipping through both of these because I feel like they all are the same stickers. It's just one is bigger and then one is in the classic size. So I want to flip through both of these so you can see the similarities in them. All right, so that was a flip through of the Spoonful of Faith big sticker book that comes with 542 pieces, as well as the classic size Spoonful of Faith sticker book that comes with 646 pieces. I absolutely love each page, and I hope you were able to see how similar these two sticker books are. And so if you're able to pick that up, I will put my Happy Planner affiliate link down below if you want to go ahead and make that purchase while it is still available. And if you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I do hope you consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. And if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.